Most people are still searching jobs manually on Naukri portal for a number of hours. But what if I tell you that Claude AI can review your LinkedIn profile, understand your skills, and help you find the best matching jobs within a minute? In this video, I will show you my complete workflow using Claude AI, LinkedIn, and Naukri to make job searching smarter and faster. And trust me, this is one of the most powerful AI workflows job seekers are using right now. Now guys, let's be honest. Most people do job search like this. They will open LinkedIn, they will open Naukri portal, they will search with random keywords, apply everywhere, and then they will hope to get some kind of calls from the recruiter. Claude can actually analyze your LinkedIn profile. It will identify your strongest skills, it will understand your experience, and help you target better opportunities. So let's see how we can use Claude AI to search job opportunities on Naukri portal. So I'm using Chrome browser. You need to make sure you have logged in into your LinkedIn account. Then make sure you have also logged in into your Naukri portal. Okay, where you are going to look out for job opportunities. And in the third tab, make sure you have logged in into your Claude AI account. Guys, I'm talking about logging from your Chrome browser itself. Okay, I'm not saying here that you need to log in from your local machine. Okay, make sure you are doing this from your browser itself. And the fourth stuff which you need to do is make sure the Claude extension is also being enabled on your Chrome browser. So if you don't know how to do it, I will just show you quickly. You just need to type Claude Chrome extension. Okay, then just need to click on this. Okay, and then it's going to just ask you whether you want to enable this extension. So see here guys, it's asking us to click on add to Chrome. If I just click on this, since I have already added it, right, so it's giving me the opposite one, to remove it from the Chrome. But in your case, it will be asking you to add to Chrome. You just need to click on this, and that's it. You will be able to see this kind of icon on your browser itself. Well, this is free. There is no need to pay for this extension. You need to pay for Claude AI if you want to take the subscription so that you can use some additional feature of Claude AI, right? But for extension, there is no need to pay any amount. Okay, so these are four steps which are mandatory before searching for the job opportunities. So once you have enabled Claude AI extension on your Chrome, again come into your Claude AI account, click on profile, then click on settings, right? And make sure in Claude in Chrome option, you are enabling this allow extension option as well. Okay, there are two options available here, allow and block, right? So make sure you have choose the correct option. Okay, that is allow extension, and that's it. Your work is done with respect to Claude AI account. You can simply close this now from your browser, because we are going to completely use the Chrome extension itself, okay, for doing all this automation stuff. So now let's start, right? I'm just going to click on this extension. Okay, so it's going to open now on the right hand side. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to write a simple prompt that use my LinkedIn profile as a reference and search for job openings for DevOps role in India, right, on Naukri portal. Okay, and give me the links to apply for the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add here some more stuff like consider my skill sets and certification as well. Let's see what kind of response now Claude AI is going to give us. So I'm just going to approve the plan. So now what this Claude AI is going to do is in backend, it's going to now use our Naukri portal as well. Okay, first it's going to do the complete analysis of my LinkedIn profile. And now you can see in backend, it's going to open one more screen, you can say, where it will be going through all the Naukri profiles where job openings are getting posted. Okay, and this is being carried out completely by using Claude AI. Okay, guys, and it's able to do it because on Chrome browser we have already logged in, into our Naukri portal as well. So that's why you need to make sure you are logging into all these accounts so that it has permission to access all these accounts. Okay, so now I think it's just going through my LinkedIn profile for now. Okay, let's see. It's going through the profile. It's checking what kind of skill sets I have. It's going through my LinkedIn headline, right? My certifications. Let's see. It's still doing the analysis. See, guys. In meanwhile, it has completely switched to my Naukri portal. Okay, so it's just taking now everything. Okay, so let's see. See, guys, it's happening in backend. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Okay, it's just going through my complete Naukri portal. It's checking what are the different job opportunities available there. Let's see if it's able to give us the links as well so that we can apply directly, right? You might have one doubt that whether Claude AI would be able to apply, automatically or not. Okay, so we will check out that as well. Can Claude AI do it or not? Okay, So let's see. So here it is, it has done the analysis of my profile. Okay. And then see guys, now it's giving me the job opportunities, and it's giving me the link as well. See, this is the link of Naukri portal. So I'm just going to open it in new tab. Let's see what kind of job opportunity we are seeing. See guys, now this has been posted 1 day ago. Okay. So it's completely, it's matching my skill sets as well. Right. So I can directly apply now. Okay. So what next? I have this another position is for Hyderabad location, right? I'm just going to open it again in new tab. Let's see. See guys, now it's giving me everything. Okay. So now you can see here one more thing, that the applicants are 100 plus and it's not matching one of the score. That's, that is like I'm not the early applicant. So to make sure you are avoiding such kind of scenarios, what you can do is in your prompt itself, try to add some additional conditions, right? Which I have already explained in my previous video. Okay. What are the main frameworks? So this is one of the important framework of adding the rule, making sure you are adding that give me job opportunities which were published in last 24 hours and where applicants are, let's say, less than 50. Okay. So we'll be getting that stuff as well. See guys, it's giving me all these job openings. Okay. So it has also shared like, there are more than 41,000 results. Okay. You can check it here, right? So now what we will be doing here is we will be adding some additional rules. You can say, what I'm going to do here is I will tell Claude AI to look out for job opportunities, okay, on Naukri portal, but make sure give me all the job openings where applicants are less than 50 and check only for jobs which are posted in last 24 hours. So let's see if we get some improved response now from Claude AI. Okay, so guys, now you can see, it has done the complete analysis of my LinkedIn profile and it has shared the job opportunities where the applicants are less than 50. Okay, so this is the first role, right? It's saying that it's like close to 27 uh, applicants. Let's open this in next tab and see. See guys, now there are only 27 applicants, right? So it means that Claude AI, it's giving us the genuine results only. Okay, so there is one more open position where applicants are only 36, right? See guys, now it's so easy, right? You just need to give the prompt, right? So all the score, it's matching properly and it's going to give us only those kind of job opportunities where our skill sets, profile, keywords, certification is matching properly, which we have mentioned on our LinkedIn profile, right? So these are the two openings which it was able to get, right? So what now we will do is we will check if Claude AI can apply instead of us. Okay, can you apply for this position? I'm not going to write much. Just simply, I'm just going to write this stuff and let's see what kind of response now we get from Claude AI. Okay. Okay. So see, now it's asking like the plan. Let's first approve the plan and see what response we get now. If it's going to apply, for this position without our intervention, then that's going to be superb, right? But let's see what it does now. Right, see, you have got the response, like it was able to see this button apply on company side, but right, this is the external company website. So whenever you are going to click on that website, see guys, now this is the website. If I click on this website, it's going to take me on the official page of that company's job portal, right? So you might be aware that you will have to create a account, right? You will have to share the email ID, password over there, and that can't be done by Claude AI by itself, right? So that's why Claude AI is going to just help you to search the appropriate job opportunities which are matching your score, right? So you need to apply them manually, right? So it's giving us the suggestion as well. See, it says that you need to go on this specific website and click on apply button, and that's how you can move ahead. Okay, so I hope you got the answer now, whether you can apply using Claude AI manually or not. So guys, and don't worry, I'm going to share 5 top prompts which you can use to give to Claude AI whenever you want to search job opportunities on Naukri portal. I'm going to upload all this prompt on our GitHub repository, and I will share the GitHub repository link into the video description. Okay, so please do check out that stuff. So this is how you can use Claude AI with LinkedIn and Naukri to make your job search smarter in 2026. If you found this video useful, then please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos on upcoming AI plus career content. Thank you.